Students, in last lecture we have seen that is about the pollination, in which we have seen how the self pollination takes place. In the self pollination we have also seen that is about the some adaptations for the self pollination. So self pollination is also known as the autogamy. So it is the first type of the pollination, that is the self pollination, or it is also known as the autogamy. Then second type of the pollination is the zytonogamy. So zyton means neighbor. So here the pollination takes place, that is from the one flower to the another flower that is present on the same plant. So here the zyton means the neighbor. Okay, so here what is means zytonogamy type of the pollination, that is here in this type of the pollination, here suppose here is the one flower, suppose here is the female flower, and suppose here is the male flower. Okay, so here the pollen grains, male flower, it is the female flower. So here pollen grains it mainly transfer from this flower to this flower, that is present on the same plant. Okay, so it is known as the zyton. Zyton means neighbor. Okay, so here the transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of the different flower present on the same plant, it is known as the zytonogamy type of the pollination. So here the zytonogamy type of the pollination is like similar that of the autogamy, because here the organisms or the individual or the plants which are produced by the zytonogamy type of the pollination, they are genetically similar. Okay, म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला genetically variation दिसत नाही, they are genetically similar. Okay, so here the zytonogamy type of the pollination. Okay, so see that is here the next type of the pollination is mainly the cross pollination, or it is known as the xenogamy. Third type of the pollination is the xenogamy. Xenogamy, it is also known as the cross pollination. Cross pollination, or it is also known as outbreeding. Okay, so in the zytonogamy, that is zytonogamy pollination, we see that is here transfer of pollen grain from anther of the one flower to the stigma of the another flower or the different flower present on the same plant. ओके, आणि एक्झाम्पल बघितलं आपण तर zytonogamy जनरली कुकुरबिटा मॅक्झिमा म्हणजे भोपळा, पंपकिन माहिती आहे तुम्हाला, की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला जनरली zytonogamy टाइप ऑफ द पॉलिनेशन हे पाहायला मिळेल. ओके, सो xenogamy इट इज द क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. So what is mean xenogamy? That is here transfer of the pollen grain from anther to the stigma of the different flower present on the different plant. म्हणजे इथं दोन प्लांट वेगवेगळे असणार आहेत. Okay, so see that is here, suppose here is the one plant, that is the male flower, and here is the another plant, that is the female plant. So here transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma like this, from one plant to the another plant. Okay, so here the xenogamy, it is also known as the cross pollination, that is transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of the different flower present on the different plant. Okay, so but here the plant must be of the same species. इथं मात्र प्लांट हे दोन्हीही प्लांट हे एकाच स्पेसिस मध्ये असले पाहिजे. म्हणजे झिनोगॅमी किंवा क्रॉस पॉलिनेशनची डेफिनेशन काय सांगता येईल? ट्रान्सफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन फ्रॉम अँथर टू द स्टिग्मा ऑफ द डिफरंट फ्लावर प्रेझेंट ऑन द डिफरंट प्लांट हॅव्हिंग सेम स्पेसिस. Okay, so it is known as the xenogamy or the cross pollination. So due to the cross pollination we can get that is the genetic variation. म्हणजे जे काही इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स किंवा प्लांट्स जे तयार होतील नवीन प्लांट्स की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय दिसेल, जेनेटिक व्हॅरिएशन दिसेल, जेनेटिक व्हॅरिएशन. So here in these plants there can be see that is the genetic variation. Okay, so it is about the xenogamy or the cross pollination. So we have seen that is the first type of the pollination is the autogamy. Then second type of the pollination is the xenogamy. Third type of the pollination is the xenogamy. It is also known as the cross pollination. Okay, then we see that is about here how the pollination takes place, that is cross pollination, or also the in case of the xenogamy we have seen that is here agencies are required for the pollination to transfer the pollen grain from anther to the stigma. So depending upon the agencies, which are the types of the pollination. Okay, so first we see that is the types of the agents are which are required for the pollination. So types of the agents, याच्यामध्ये जनरली दोन एजंट्स आहेत. फर्स्ट इज द abiotic agent and another is the biotic agent. So in abiotic agent, that is it is the non-living, while the biotic agents are the living. So abiotic agents, these are mainly the wind. Second is the water. These are the abiotic agents, non-living. In the biotic agents, that is there are the insect, birds, bat, snail, snakes, etc. So these are the biotic agents through which here the pollination takes place. So depending upon agencies, there are also the some types of the pollination. That is, if the pollination takes place by the wind, it is known as the anemophily pollination. म्हणजे या टाइपला anemophily pollination असं म्हटलं जातं. If the pollination takes place by the water, it is known as the hydrophily pollination. म्हणजे जो एजंट आहे की ज्या एजंट मार्फत इथं पोलन ग्रेन ट्रान्सफर होणार आहेत. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन एजन्सीज देर आर द टाइप्स ऑफ द पॉलिनेशन. दॅट इज अॅनिमोफिली पॉलिनेशन, दॅट इज एजंट इज द विंड. If the pollination takes place with the help of the water, it is known as the hydrophily pollination. If the pollination takes place by the insect, it is known as entomophily pollination. Entomophily pollination. If the pollination takes place by the birds, it is known as ornithophily pollination. And if the pollination takes place by the bat, it is known as the chiropterophily type of the pollination. So depending upon agencies, there are also the types of the pollination. मग याचे आपण वेगवेगळे adaptations बघणार आहोत. That is, what are the adaptations for anemophily type of the pollination? What are the adaptations for hydrophily type of the pollination? Then entomophily, ornithophily and chiropterophily. इथपर्यंतच आपल्या सिलेबस मध्ये हे टाइप्स आहेत. ओके, आता आपण याच्या पुढे एक एक टाइप पॉलिनेशनचा बघणार आहोत. That is about the anemophily pollination, then hydrophily pollination, then entomophily pollination, ornithophily pollination and chiropterophily type of the pollination. Okay.